Hi guys, so I forgot to mention on the last video how to share your project. So you'll need to create a link. You can do it two different ways. So one way is on your dashboard. This is right when you log in. You can hit these three little dots and you want to do share view link. And you'll have to create a new link. So you can put whatever you want here. You can say math class or project. You just have to give it a name. I spelled class wrong. And that creates your link, and then you can just hit copy and it'll be copied and you can send it to us when you turn it in. Another way is if you're inside your project and you're editing it. So if you're on this project and it's all done and you're ready to share it, you can go to the top where it says share and you'll click view link. And we already created a link, so you can go into it and just hit copy, or if you didn't create it, you would just create it this way. So don't forget to make that link and send it to us when you're ready to submit your project.